Howdy everybody. Today on the bench we have a Collins 30L-1. Sorry, that might be upside down for you all, but anyway, we're taking a look at all the connections and looking for scorch marks or anything that might be a issue. I have not plugged in and run this amp yet. I was told it was partially working, maybe putting out 350 watts. The 811A tubes are here. They all look like they're in fairly good condition. I have 3 RCAs and 1 Electronics Enterprises. I'm not too sure about that manufacturer, but I guess at some point they made duplicate 811As. They all check out as far as the filament resistance. I don't see shorts between anode and cathode or the grid, so I'm assuming the tubes are working okay. I might have to do a little bit more investigation before I actually put them back into the running amplifier, but one of the first things I want to do in this project is swap out the DC power supply. I took off all the covers and we're gonna replace this with a single unit made by Harbach Electronics. We're going to make sure that all the connections are intact, that there's no scorch marks. We're going to put protection on the filament lines. They make a gas discharge tube, or GDT, and that goes between the leg 1, if you will, of the filament to ground and leg 2 of the filament power supply to ground. You can pretty much really install it anywhere where you have easy access between GDT and a known good ground. So we're going to do that. Everything else about the amp seems fine. I mean, it's really in pristine condition. The feed-throughs look all good. There's no scorching, no arcing. The variable cap here looks in pretty good condition. Everything else looks good. The suppressor assembly here, this is kind of iffy. I know they make a better suppressor. Harbach Electronics has one. This actually, the clips that go on the tube caps are it's kind of roasted. I mean, it's really oxidized and stuff. I could probably clean it up with a metal brush or something, but really I think I want to replace this whole thing. The other thing I want to do is there is a glitch resistor that can be installed along with the power supply. We're going to replace that as well, or install that. I think we're going to clean all the tube contacts with the deoxy and the rotating switches, the rotary switches. Now let me turn this unit around. Actually, hang on a second. I'm going to flip the whole thing around. Okay, we're back. So this is top side. You can see the DC, high voltage DC power supply here. Let's see. Like I said, the suppressor assembly. Yeah, I bet you I can install the better one from Harbach Electronics, and then let's see what else. I was mentioning the front panel switch, the band switch, which also travels to the back. All those contacts will need to be cleaned. The contacts here for tuning. Let's turn that again. I don't know if you can see it actually rotating. kind of hard to see. Let me flip this around this way. There you go. Maybe you can see that. Anyway, we'll be cleaning that. Yeah, so that's the project right now, is to get this Collins 30L-1 working much better again. Contemplating whether to replace the tube set with a new set, quad set of 576Bs or 811As. We'll see. There's a company called Pentalab, and Pentalab has replacement tube sets. So we're going to take a look at that. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next episode in getting this 30L1 up and running.